Happy Thanksgiving from the Duckworth family in Southeast Georgia. Scott's tip of the day. This will be very quick, probably about a 1-minute video or less. I still see some of you people out there when you go to the gas pump, you're filling your car up and you're trying to get that extra 10 or 15 or 20 cents worth of fuel in there. You're actually doing damage to your car. There's some type of pollution control system on these cars, and I don't want to go through, or I'm not even sure if I can explain how it works. But when you keep overfilling this thing here and you keep clicking that gas pump, you're actually damaging your car. This happened on this Toyota. This car has, I'm thinking we're approaching 300,000 miles on it, and that's been one of the few problems I think we've had. And they did some repair work to the tune of around $350, $400. Had to replace some type of charcoal canister, maybe. I can't swear to that, but something in the pollution control system. When I go to the gas pump, I've actually told a couple of people about it, but I'm actually seeing more of the ladies doing this than I do the men. Maybe us men want to get our gas and go. We don't have an extra 10 seconds, but I understand you ladies out there really remember this. Once that gas pump clicks off, stop. Do not put the extra 25 cents worth in there. Save $350. This is Scott, and I hope that tip will help you and save you a $400 repair bill. Thank you for tuning in.